My name is Charvik. I'm studying in LKG. My school name is St. Philomena Group of Institution. Jnanapita Awards winners from Karnataka. Kuempu, Dalabendre, Shiraram Karam, Masti Venkatesh Ayyamar, G.K. Gokak, U.R. Anantamurti, Girish Karnath, Chandrasekhar Tambar. Bharatanatyam, Tamil Nadu, Kathakali, Kerala, Kathak, Uttar Pradesh, Manipuri, Kujupuri, Andhra Pradesh, Orissa, Satriya, Assam, Makki dance, Madhya Pradesh, Dandiya, Gujarat, Yasagana, Karnataka. Rivers of India, Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Mahanadi, Narmada, Berrien, Tamlabadi, Vaigai, Yamuna. National festivals. January 26th, Republic Day. August 15th, Independence Day. September 5th, Teachers Day. October 2nd, Gandhi Jayanti. November 14th, Children's Day. Seven Wonders of India. Gomatesta statue in Karnataka. Konasan Temple in Orissa. Narendra University in Bihar. Khajuraho in Madhya Pradesh. Golden Temple in Punjab. Taj Mahal in Delhi. Hampi Temple in Karnataka. Planets in solar system. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Four Vedas. Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda. Dashavatara Lord Vishnu, Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Narasimha, Vamana, Parshurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki. Seven continents of the world. Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia. Five oceans of the world. Antarctic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean. Presidents of India. Rajendra Prasad, Sarvepalli Radhakrishna, Zakir Hussain, V.V. Giri, P.D. Jatti, N. Sanjeeva Reddy, Shankar Daya Sharma, Ramaswamy Venkataraman, K.R. Narayan, A.P.J. Abdul Kalam, Pratibha Patil, Pranab Mukherjee, Ramnath Kovind, Lal Singh, Draupadi Murmu. Neighboring countries of India. Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan. Neighboring states of Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Goa. Tamil Nadu, Telangana, small state Goa, long state Rajasthan.
States and capitals.
States and capitals: Andhra Pradesh, Amravati, Andhra Pradesh, Itanagar, Assam, Despur, Bihar, Patna, Chandigarh, Raipur, Goa, Barnaje, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Haryana, Chandigarh, Andhra Pradesh, Shimla, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bangalore, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Manipur, Impal, Meghalaya, Shillong, Mizoram, Mysore, Nagaland, Kohima, Orissa, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chandigarh, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Sikkim, Gangtok, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Telangana, Hyderabad, Tripura, Agartala, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, West Bengal, Kolkata.
Districts in Karnataka.
Districts in Karnataka: Bagalkot, Bellary, Bidar, Bengaluru Rural, Bengaluru Urban, Belgavi, Ramanagara, Chikkaballapura, Chikkaduga, Yasuda Kannada, Davangere, Dharwad, Gadag, Hasan, Haveri, Kalburgi, Orago, Holar, Kappala, Mandya, Mysore, Ramnagar, Raichur, Shivamogga, Tumkur, Udupi, Uttar Kannada, Vijayapura, Rajgiri.
Indian festival.
Indian festival: Ganesha Chaturthi, Navaratri, Dasara, Deepavali, Mahashivratri, Christmas, Eid, Holi, Muharram, Good Friday.
Women freedom fighters of India.
Women freedom fighters of India: Durgabai Deshmukh, Arunasa Phale, Uchaja Tripalni, Kittu Rani Chandama, Helari Chandama, Vonake Vogova, Ujjalakshmi Pandit, Sarojini Naidu, Jasurani Lakshmi Bai.
Seven colors in rainbow.
Seven colors in rainbow: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Official languages of India.
Official languages of India: Assami, Bengali, Godo, Dogri, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Malayalam, Marathi, Maithili, Manipuri, Nepali, Oriya, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Santali, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu.
Religions of India.
Religions of India: Hinduism, Islam, Islam, Sikhism, Buddhism, Jainism, Parsi.
Names of Rutus.
Names of Rutus: Vasanta Rutu, Iswa Rutu, Varsha Rutu, Sarita Rutu, Hemanta Rutu, Shishira Rutu.
Hindu lunar months.
Hindu lunar months: Chaitra, Vaisakha, Jyeshtha, Ashada, Savana, Bhadrapada, Ashvina, Kartika, Margashira, Pushya, Magha, Phalguna.
Main agriculture products.
Main agriculture products: rice, wheat, jute, sugarcane, cotton, tea, coffee.
Major cities in India.
cities in India: Mumbai, New Delhi, Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Pune, Surat, Jaipur. Most popular international airports in India: Gandhi Airport, New Delhi; Rajiv Gandhi Airport, Hyderabad; Chhatrapati Shivaji Airport, Mumbai; Chennai Airport, Chennai; Kempegowda Airport, Bangalore.
Borders of India:
North Himalayas, South Indian Ocean, East Bay of Bengal, West Arabian Sea.
Kings of Karnataka:
Kings of Karnataka: Pulkeshe, Vishnudevaraya, Vishnuvardhana, Mayuravarma, Amoghavarsha, Madakari Nayaka, Kitturani Chandama, Bokka, Jayasomaraja Oraye, Kempegowda.
Fundamental Rights of
Fundamental Rights of
India:
India: Rights to equality, rights to freedom, right against exploitation, rights to freedom of religions, cultural and educational rights to constitution remedies,
Five sense organs:
eyes, nose, ears, tongue, skin.
Indian
Dynasties: Chalukya Dynasties, Chola Dynasties, Vaisala Dynasties, Maurya Dynasties, Pallava Dynasties, Buddha Dynasties, Rajputa Dynasties, Mughal Dynasties, Vijayanagara Dynasties, Vardhan Dynasties.
9 Union Territories:
9 Union Territories: New Delhi, Delhi, Chandigarh, Daman and Diu, Gadra and Nagar Haveli, Pondicherry, Andaman and Nicobar Island, Lakshadweep, Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir.
Top 10 Indian Scientists:
Top 10 Indian scientists: C.V. Raman, C.V. Raman, Homi Bhabha, Jagadish Chandra Bose, Meghana Saha, M. Visvesvaraya, Satyendra Bose, Vijayanagar Chandrasekhar, Vikram Sarabhai, Amon Karankar, APJ Abdul Kalam. Countries and capitals: Afghanistan, Kabul; Argentina, Buenos Aires; Austria, Canberra; Asia, Wien; Bangladesh, Dhaka; Belgium, Brussels; Bhutan, Thimphu; Brazil; Colombia, Bogota; Denmark, Champagne; Dominican Republic; Santo Domingo; Egypt, Cairo; Finland, Helsinki.
National Symbols: Father of the Nation,
Mahatma Gandhi.
National Anthem,
Jana Gana Bana.
National Song,
Vande Mataram.
National Emblem,
Lion capital.
National Flag,
Tricolor flag.
National Flower,
Lotus.
National Animal,
Tiger.
National Sea Animal,
Dolphin.
National Bird,
Peacock.
National Fruit,
Mango.
National Vegetable,